is currently going on with floods right across the country. Now, a growing momentum rather in the sustainable finance arena has led to innovation right across the banking sector. Now, with this, the Standard Chartered Bank Kenya has announced the launch of a sustainable account across Africa. The sustainable account provides an opportunity for customers to participate in sustainable development by having surplus cash referenced against the bank's loans and projects. Now, this makes Kenya the first African market to adopt the new solution.
Very speeded and very. So thank you for just walking that talk and trying to make it.
It is an account that is referenced against sustainable assets and projects across the globe, which are verified by an independent auditor to make sure that there's no element of greenwashing and there's no risk to the funds that you're putting in this pool.
Standard Chartered, sustainability at the heart of everything we do. In our own operations, we've set a target of being net zero by 2025, and in financing activities, we have set a target of 2050 with interim targets for 2030. What that means for our clients is we are working with our clients on advising them on how to set up sustainable finance frameworks, financing them, and then executing these transactions. In addition, we continue to work with industry and government stakeholders to develop regulation that works.